If you are getting an invalid archive error, your data usually isn't gone. The header is just confused. You don't need to pay for recovery software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'm going to show you the free repair tool built right into WinRAR. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn ZIP files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. In terms of origin, the ZIP file specification is derived from the compressed archive file family. It's stored with the zipped file format. The ZIP file type is the most widespread and standard compressed archive format. Developed by Phil Katz, its primary function is simple data compression and bundling multiple files into a single portable container for easy sharing across different operating systems. The format was originally developed by Phil Katz for peakware. Its simple design uses various compression methods, like deflate, to create the file structure. This standardization is key because virtually every operating system and modern application can read and interact with a ZIP file without needing specialized software. 7-zip from Igor Pavlov should be your first choice when attempting to open ZIP. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows provides limited archive support, so proper access relies on decompression software. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the ZIP file and choose Open With. If 7-zip is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. If the ZIP file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific ZIP error. First, check for conflicts. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software. Antivirus programs can sometimes flag the extraction process as suspicious and block the file creation, causing the extraction error. Next, verify disk integrity. Run the chkdsk command in an elevated command prompt. Disk errors, bad sectors, or file system issues can prevent the successful creation of extracted files. Finally, use alternative software. Try using a dedicated third-party extractor like 7-zip instead of the built-in Windows utility. Third-party tools often support newer compression methods and can sometimes recover files even from a partially damaged or invalid archive. When the ZIP file rejects every application attempt, we are now compelled to use the ultimate software bypass. The simple final fix is the right move to try for this file type. When failure is not an option, rely on File Magic. Its best feature is the way it effortlessly handles corrupted archives, letting you view the ZIP content instantly. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Remember to check out the File Magic resource. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.